Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use VidIQ for YouTube Analytics 2025, a complete walkthrough. So creators, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make use of the VidIQ Analytics program and how you can, improve your brand and put your YouTube channel out there. Now, if you're looking to grow fast, this walkthrough will help you track your performance and find out what works and what doesn't. All right, so getting into it, your first step would be to open up your browser. Unfortunately, I had already opened up the vidIQ platform and I clicked on Get Started. So once you've clicked on the Get Started, this is the menu you're dropped at after entering your email. That's the email account or the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. All right, so once you're here, you're met with unlock personalized insights. So let's kickstart your journey with tailored data insights. Connect your YouTube channel to get personalized analytics and strategic recommendations for exponential growth. All we need to do now is click and connect your channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this option here as provided by Google. While this is going on, if you're looking to actually get it as an extension, because you can have it as a Chrome extension here, all you need to do is head over to Chrome extensions. So you can just open up a new tab and head over to either your browser extensions or Google Chrome extensions. So you can simply search it up, Google Google Chrome extensions, and you can kind of like install and set up vidIQ using Google Chrome, webstore.google.com. That's the website I was looking for. So once you've opened this up, all you need to do is just use the search at the top of your screen to simply search for vidIQ browser extension. So it's very simple. Once it opens up on your browser, all you need to do here is just simply click on add to your browser. So if it's Chrome you're on, it would show. If it's Mozilla Firefox, it would be add to Firefox. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this. You can see it helps create titles that rank and get clicked. Know exactly what's driving your growth. You could also check some other options like get thumbnails that make viewers click. I guess you can generate thumbnails as well and also drive views with the right keywords. All right. So after you've installed the vidIQ Vision for YouTube, that's the extension, I would suggest you install the extension instead of making use of their web, as the web browser does not as the web browser option does not give you as much analytics as the extension would. Now, with the web browser, you're on the home section, you're logged in, your account is here, the email you used or the Google account you used as linked to your YouTube account is logged in. You're not going to find a lot of analytics for your channel. If you head over to Optimize, which is where you should find this analytics, you would be asked to make payments for their upgraded plan. That's their boosted plan. Now, their boosted plan is what is going to give you your scores. It's what is going to tell you things about your video if you are to use the web option. If you're to use the web option, it's going to give you the little insights into descriptions, tags. You can use the generate option to generate a description and a tag, and you can also use the recommended tags here that you can add to your video. Same thing with title. You can use the score with boost to check out your title score as well as the suggested titles. In order to make use of this, you have to use boost, and you can generate more for free, and you can refine what you already have here, and they can also create thumbnails for you and the rest. But what we are interested in is analytics. When it comes to analytics, how do you get the analytics? If you head over to the discover page and head over to subscribe, you can head over to discover, head over to subscribe. You can analyze your YouTube subscriber growth. You can find your competition. You can work on daily ideas, keywords, learn and create new content from your ideas. Now, in order to make proper use of these features, I would suggest you use your extension. So make sure you've installed the extension. Now, if you were to head over to YouTube and log on to let's say the YouTube studios for your channel, because that's where you'll need to be once you're on YouTube studios, you will find the vidIQ has kind of like placed itself there. It gives you your channel statistics, which is what we need for the analytics. You can see your watch time, your views in the last 60 minutes, your views in the last 48 hours, and your shorts. that's in the last 48 hours, as well as your views in the last 7 days, which is 6,624, and also your watch time as well as your subscriber counts. Now, you can view all analytics by clicking on analytics, and it's going to open up the analytics menu in a new page. Now, comparing vidIQ when it's added as a tool on your YouTube Studios account to comparing it without the tools, you can definitely see the difference. With the vidIQ, if you scroll down a bit, you can even see the option to optimize your latest video using vidIQ. If you scroll a bit more, you can find YouTube education via vidIQ as well, and there should be some other options using vidIQ. It kind of like is an add-on to your YouTube account. It's gonna help and assist you on your YouTube account with the growth and everything else. Now, the normal YouTube Studios doesn't offer those kind of value. It doesn't offer as much value as you would expect, as this is what the analytics menu of YouTube looks like. You have a good view. Um, you have your watch time and you have your subscriber count. Now, if we were to check out the same thing using YouTube Studios Analytics via the vidIQ, you would find a totally different outcome for your analytics. It kind of gives you much more depth when it comes to analyzing and analytics of your channel in general. All right. So that's how you can make use of vidIQ for analytics. If you're looking for a deeper dive, you could get it by heading straight to video analytics or channel analytics to get a much more deeper summary of everything using the standard YouTube Studios algorithm and analytics. All right, guys. So that's how you can make use of vidIQ. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.